Hey, thanks for tuning into the FiveAble channel. In this video, we're going to review a new product that is by a friend of mine who is a master letterpress operator. She has many years of letterpress experience, and she has created a thing called Make It Happier. Let's see if you can see it, where she sends a subscription box to you every month or for however long you subscribe. That includes the materials you need to send extremely nice correspondence to friends and people that you care about, and just want to send a little personal note on something that's handmade and very nice. So what you get is this little box currently in the mail. It's there's only been, I think, 4 boxes shipped so far with the service. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, all of them, because I was a founding subscriber. She opens the subscription service periodically to new subscribers. When you open the box, here I've got another camera set up here so you can see. It has a label inside that says, "Make It Happier." Of course, I'll put links into the description to the website so you can find it. It's part of her company, Bumblebee Press. Like I said, look in my description for links. It'll make it real easy for you to locate her store. So when you open it up, let's see, I get a letter here. It says, "This month's collection is inspired by the beginning of spring." I won't read all of it to you, but it's a nice note. It's actually hand signed by her, Julie. And she's very eco-friendly and considers the sources for all of her paper goods to make sure that they're sourced in an eco-friendly way as well by companies that promote sustainability. She's used this crushed paper packing material, which is not only nice, but highly recyclable and renewable. Each month there's been a card inside the box also that describes what you should find in the box. I will read through that real quick this time. It says you'll get 3 mailable cards, 1 pressed botanical card, which is an ethically sourced botanical, 2 letterpress cards, 3 pressed botanical folding gift cards, and then she will tell you about the types of paper that she uses. And on this one, it's a Peony Bud, so you know the type of flower on the card that she's pressed. So let's just open it up and so you can see it. She's hand wrapped it in a tissue, nice tissue. I'm telling you, everything about this feels really high quality and wonderful, and just kind of makes you want to send letters, handwritten letters to your friends. You know, in this day of email and digital computer systems, it's kind of nice to get something that's from the old ways. You know, her letterpress printers, she uses Heidelberg and others that I don't know all of, what they all are, but I do know that the Heidelberg machines are really cool, very old, and she maintains them herself. She truly is a master at this craft. This is nice, 3 forever stamps, so I already have the postage I need. And then here's the 1 card with a nice brown envelope. It says Bumblebee Press on the back, if you can see that. And here's a description. Tell you what, here is the description card. If you want to pause it and read, you can. Now this is a beautiful card. It's very simple. But you can see how nice it is. Printed on both sides. Has the Bumblebee logo on the back, Bumblebee Press logo. Comes with the matching card. Very springy colors this time. Here's a really nice textured paper on this card with a rough cut. I don't know what you call this. It looks like a torn edge. Got a little tattered look to it on purpose, of course, with the pressed flower on top. And a nice heavy envelope with it. The weight of this is very heavy. So I mean, as you can tell that the paper is very high quality. I'll do it this way. And then let's see what else. A few little tiny cards. They're really cool. Nice. And they have a string so you could attach them to a gift or something. Printed on both sides with the bumblebee press. It's got the pressed family. Well, I guess it's only printed on this side with the bumblebee, but it has a pressed dried flower or plant on it. This one's really sweet. Nice. And another one. So I'll show you here too. Very nice. Very tasteful. Perfect. And these cards really, if you use these, really lets people know that you care about the details and wanted to send something nice all the way down to the little card that you're including with, say, a gift that this might be attached to. That's about it for this particular box. I have a whole collection of them. I've really enjoyed getting them, and I thought for those of you who may be big fans of Letterpress, I thought you might like to know about bumblebeepress.com. Again, I'll put the links in the description. Thanks for watching the FiveAble channel as always. Please don't forget to hit like, leave a comment if you feel like it, and be sure to subscribe or follow. It really helps out a lot, and I'll make more videos. Bye-bye.